Hello guys, I just finished closing the studio and I want to invite you all around to see the nail art room first. Okay, we just go straight in. Welcome to my nail art studio. Here are several certificates of completion of nail art classes, and there's more that I haven't pasted. And this is a home service suitcase. You can choose many colors. There are about 200 bottles of color as options, and there is an accessories box. This is a sterilizer oven manicure tools because there's no place for a while, so we just put there. And this is my lovely desk with my team. Here there are many manicure tools. There are clipper, nibble, emery board, buffer, pusher, brush, and others. Here is a marble base for photos. And thanks for coming to my studio. If there are criticism and suggestion, please subscribe for the next video. Bye bye.